My honest advice to coders worried about AI. As the influence of artificial intelligence, AI, grows, it's natural for coders to feel a mix of excitement and apprehension. The remarkable advancements in AI promise increased efficiency, but there's a looming worry that these developments might overshadow the human element in coding. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand that AI is designed to assist, not replace. It augments our coding capabilities, handling mundane tasks and allowing us to focus on complex problem-solving and creative design. Secondly, embrace AI as a learning tool. While some may fear that AI can outsmart them, it can serve as a mentor that provides instant feedback and suggestions. By utilizing AI-driven code analysis and debugging tools, coders can elevate their skills while gaining insights into more efficient coding practices. Think of AI as a co-pilot, guiding you through the landscape of your projects while you remain firmly in control of the creative direction. Moreover, the relationship between AI and coding isn't a zero-sum game. As AI evolves, so do the opportunities for coders. The tech industry continues to expand, and new roles are emerging that require a human touch. Jobs centered around AI ethics, maintenance, and development are becoming increasingly pivotal as we navigate a world where AI plays a larger role. Therefore, your coding skills remain valuable and relevant, adaptable to this changing landscape. The importance of creativity and intuition in coding cannot be overstated. AI may excel at data analysis and pattern recognition, yet it lacks the unique human ability to understand context, nuance, and emotion. When tackling user experience or creating a product that resonates on an emotional level, it's the coder's creativity and empathy that truly shine. Additionally, the collaborative nature of programming projects calls for effective communication, teamwork, and interpersonal skills, aspects where humans inherently thrive. Lastly, don't let fear paralyze your growth. Instead, view AI as a means to enhance your coding journey. Stay curious, learn continuously, and engage with emerging technologies. Join communities that focus on discussions surrounding AI and coding, sharing your perspectives and learning from others. In the ever-evolving field of technology, adaptability and a proactive approach will set you apart. As coders, let us embrace AI not as a threat, but as an ally that helps us push the boundaries of what we can create.